Now, let us understand some important points which are related to this spherical mirrors. So, a sphere as center for our understanding, when we halved, we observed two different surfaces. Let us consider this part hollow inside like a cave and outside. It is inside, so this reflecting surface is concave. Whenever we consider the outside, its reflecting surface is convex. So we can represent a concave mirror like this. The dotted lines, this is a concave mirror and this is a convex mirror. Reflecting surface is outside, reflecting surface is inside. So just like imagine like this. Here also we observed like this. It is the center, inside, outside, inside and outside. So concave lens, concave mirror and convex mirror. How do we understand the reflection? To understand the reflection of light, let us know some important terminology regarding to this spherical mirrors. There are some terms, important terms and also important terms. What are those important terms? The first one, center of curvature, center of curvature. Second one, radius of curvature. Then pole, principal axis, principal axis. Fifth one, focus, focal length, center of curvature, radius of curvature, pole, principal axis, principal focus, or simply focus, focal length. Focal length. So let us understand what are these terms, very important terms to understand the reflection of light by a or from a curved surfaces. Example for curved surfaces or spherical mirrors. So reflection of light, reflection of light, reflection of light from curved surfaces. Curved surfaces. Let us understand one by one. Center of curvature. Center of curvature. Right. The center of curvature of a spherical mirror is the center of the hollow sphere of glass, which is which the mirror is a part. Okay. The center of curvature is the center of sphere. If it is sphere, we have the center. This is called center of the sphere, not center of curvature. Center of the sphere. This is center of sphere. If the center of the sphere, if the center of the sphere is related to concave surface as well the convex surface. If we consider like this, two halves అనుకుందాం. For this surface, for this surface means for this part, how it look like cave. So this is a concave surface of sphere. Concave surface of the sphere. For this concave surface of the sphere, this is present in front. In front. So the concave surface has a center in front. If we consider this is the reflecting surface, this is the reflecting surface where it is the center of the sphere is present outside. If it is okay, then let us take one more example instead of that. If we consider like this, one more hollow sphere, it is the center. You can do like this, halt. This is the reflecting surface. For that reflecting surface, where the center is present, inside or outside? Outside. So this is a convex surface. For convex mirror or for convex surface, the center of the sphere is located outside of the convex surface. In case of concave mirror or for in case of concave uh, concave surfaces, the center is present inside. So, center of curvature of a spherical mirror is the center of the hollow sphere. The center of the hollow sphere of a glass of which the mirror is a part. The mirror is a part. It is a spherical mirror. When spherical mirror is hall, the reflecting surface is inside, hollow or like cave. The center is present inside the hollow sphere or inside the concave surface. Such kind is concave mirrors. If the reflecting surface is bulged out other side, then the center of the spherical mirror or center of the sphere is located outside. Locate the outside. So the center of curvature of a concave mirror is in front of the concave surface, whereas the center of the curvature of convex mirror is behind it. Is behind it. So for concave mirror, it is the front. For convex, it is the behind. It is the behind. Finally, center of curvature. Center of curvature means the center of the hollow sphere of a glass, of a glass, of glass, which part of the mirror. If it is the concave part, if it is the concave surface, the center of curvature is in front of the mirror or the surface. If the reflecting part or the mirror part, the surfacing part is outside or convex, then the center is present behind it. So center of curvature is represented with C. Center of curvature is represented with C. Then, so hope understood. Sphere. This is the sphere, right? This is the sphere. Just imagine that this is the center of the sphere. Imagine that this part is the center. This part is the center of the sphere. When we join two, they meet at one point, right? This is the center. This part is behind the reflecting surface or inside or front side the reflecting surface. If it is the reflecting surface, if it is the reflecting surface, where is the center is present, front or back? Front. So this part is center of which type of curvature? Concave. For concave mirrors, the center of the curvature is located in front. Consider this is the convex surface. For convex surface, where it is present, in front or behind? Behind. So for convex mirror, the center of curvature is behind it. For concave mirrors, the center of curvature is front. That is about center of curvature. Then radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. It is represented with R. The radius of curvature of spherical is radius of the hollow sphere. Radius of the hollow sphere. Radius of the hollow sphere. Radius of the hollow sphere of glass, which is the mirror part, which is the mirror, which is the mirror part. So let us understand sphere. We all know center, it is the radius. It is the radius. So R, it is the center. So the radius of the hollow sphere, the radius of the hollow sphere. So hollow sphere, it has some radius. This is called radius of radius. If it is concave, radius of concave mirror. If it is convex, radius of curvature. For concave mirror, it is the radius of curvature. For convex, it is the radius of curvature. It is the radius of, sorry, here, it is the radius of curvature. It is the radius of concave mirror. It is the radius of convex mirror. Convex mirror. Right. So it is represented with R. Then coming to the one more, pole. Pole is represented with P. The center of the curvature. The center of the curvature of either convex mirror or the concave mirror. So the center of the spherical mirror, the center of the spherical mirror is called pole. So if it is a concave mirror, if it is a concave mirror, so this is the center of the concave mirror is called pole. Similarly, the convex surface also has its center. Center of the sphere is called center of curvature. Center of the spherical mirror is called pole. Is called pole. So, pole means the center of a spherical mirror. The center of a spherical mirror is called pole. It is represented with P. In other words, simply the middle point of the mirror, the middle point of the mirror is called, the middle point of the mirror is called pole, whether it's a concave mirror or the convex mirror. Then next one, principal axis. Before that, let us understand one more. Let us understand one more. That is aperture. Aperture. The other one is aperture. Aperture. Aperture means the exact reflecting surface of the mirror, the portion of a mirror from which the reflection of light takes place. The portion better, right, ఇక్కడ రాద్దాం. Aperture or aperture can write the portion of a mirror, the portion of a mirror, the portion of a mirror from which the reflection of light, the reflection of light actually takes place, actually takes place, actually takes place. Such part is called as the aperture. Such part is called as aperture. So if it is the reflecting surface, if the light is incident here, this portion where the light is reflected, such portion is called aperture. Such portion is called aperture, right? Then aperture of the mirror gives an idea the size of the spherical mirror, either the concave mirror or the convex mirror. So these are the some parts. So we discuss center of curvature, radius of curvature, pole, aperture. Center of curvature means the center of the hollow sphere of a glass which is the mirror part, which is the mirror part. Mirror part ki front అయితే concave. Middle part ki behind aithe convex. Then radius of curvature, radius of the hollow sphere, which is mirror part. So if it is the concave, radius, radius. If it is convex, radius. If it is convex, radius. Generally, maybe we have tried like this. Reflecting surface behind కదా. నో 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 అందులో రిఫ్లెక్టింగ్ సర్ఫేస్కి బిహైండ్ ఇలా ఉంటుంది. స్పియర్ అలా అనుకున్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ రైట్. Exactly. Correct. Then aperture we already discussed.